Guys, I'm back again with another simple tutorial. Oh well, I'm not going to say simple this time, but I'm back again with this very beautiful natural hairstyle, and I thought to share it with you guys. This style, I was just thinking of what to do with my hair, and I don't know, I just kept on thinking of using rubber bands and also having some twists and some twists rather and some flat twist, and that's how I came up with this style. So I do hope that you guys enjoy this tutorial as much as I did while creating the style. And to all my new subscribers, you're welcome to my channel, and to my old subscribers, thank you for sticking with me. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking on the subscription bell and then click on notification bell so you get notified anytime I make a post here on YouTube. Actually, click on the subscription button. Click on the subscription button or the subscription bell. I know you guys got the point.
So this is how it's gonna be. Enemies, family. Let's try to love you and me. I'll go first so you can see. Why don't we feel for each other? Can we still feel for one another?
So I got so much compliment from people. Oh, your hair is so beautiful. How did you do it? And it got me really excited to know that lots of people really enjoy the creative side of how you can style your natural hair. And I said, I'm going to share this video with you guys. And while you're working with the rubber band, I just want to put it out there that it's not painful, because I've seen or heard a lot of people talk about rubber band being tight. And like I would always mention, it's your hair, you know the tension you can work with. It's not painful. If you feel like the rubber band is too painful, you can actually reduce the tension, but it wasn't painful for me. Every time I style my hair, I don't feel any pain because I know how to work with what I have. Okay, so make sure the rubber band is not so tight, and if you feel like it is too tight, you can just pull on the end just to make sure it is not tight. And you're going to see in this video that I noticed it was a little bit loose. As you can see here now, I just like pulled the hair to make the roots more firm, and I feel like you guys understand why I did that. But yeah, if you don't want to feel the pain, please don't do that. Just leave it the way it is instead of like pulling both sides of the hair to get more firmer grip on the root. So this is what I'll be doing all through the style, using rubber bands, ensuring that my lines are clean. Don't worry if your lines or your parts are not as clean as this. Don't worry, you're still practicing. Keep practicing, and I promise you get the best of doing your hair yourself. So this is another fun part of me styling my hair. I love this flat twist that I did here. I wanted to do the simple corn roll, but I thought to do flat twist instead. And good thing I did flat twist because I love flat twist. I always love chunky flat twist. So it's just like me doing chunky flat twist, but the only difference with this style is that I have clean part, and then this is more like stitch flat twist, if I do say so myself. But yeah, it's very easy when you already have the rubber bands in. It's super easy for you to just flat twist the hair, and then I kept on going with the rubber bands until I'm done with the section that I sectioned out for the flat twist style.
Why don't we feel for each other? Can we still feel for one another? Why don't we feel for each other? Can we still feel for one another? Feel for me, my brother, yeah. Feel for me, my brother, yeah. I can feel it as I go. It's like an old song on the stereo. Everything is still the same. A roller coaster, a zero-sum game. We try to talk as friends. Will this struggle ever end? You see me as the other. I try to reach ya, brother to brother. Why don't we feel for each other? Can we still feel for one another? Yeah.
So when you're done with your flat twist, you can actually leave it that way if you want to, but I thought to tuck it in using some bobby pins. You just hold two sides of the twist, roll it up as you can see from the video, and then you tuck it in, use or secure it using your bobby pins, and basically that's it.
Let's try to love you and me. I'll go first so you can see. Why don't we feel for each other? Can we still feel for one another?
For this section of the hair, I decided to do some mini twists, and I think I used some mousse, but not all through. So you can use your mousse, or you can use your twist pudding, or any twisting product that you have. And oh, I listed some of the products, some of my favorite twisting products, some of my favorite deep conditioners in my Amazon store. You know, if you want a link, I'm going to put it in the description box, or also leave it in the comment section so you can have access to my Amazon store, and then you can see some of my favorite products when it comes to twisting, or when it comes to my kind of not leave-in conditioner, deep conditioning treatments that I love. So I had to list them in my Amazon store, and some other favorite things of mine that I feel like you guys will benefit from. They're all in my Amazon store, so you can do well to check that out as well.
Still feel for one another. gonna be enemies, family. Let's try to love you and me. I'll go first so you can see. Why don't we feel for each other? Can we still feel for one another?
So now that I'm done with the style, I thought to apply some oil on my scalp because my scalp was really dry. I don't know if you guys can see from the video. You think it's a little bit scaly, but yeah, my scalp was really so dry. So I used my Ayurveda oil. I always talk about this oil. I've been using this oil for years now, and I absolutely love. And no, I don't sell. I make it and I use it for myself and for my clients. Probably would want to make to sell, but honestly, I haven't been motivated enough to sell, so I just use it for me and my client alone. But yeah, it's my Ayurveda DIY oil. Probably would do. I think I mentioned I was going to make a video to show you guys some ideas with that, but yeah, hopefully in the future I would think of doing a video for you guys.
Still the same, a roller coaster, a zero-sum game. We try to talk as friends.
So I really love this style. I love the final outcome of this style. So thank you guys so much for sticking with me to the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Click on notification bell so you get notified anytime I make a post here on YouTube. Until my next video. Bye guys. Love you.